Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are all doing well. Okay, students, welcome to our virtual class or online class, lecture number 1. As you know, your summer vacations are now started, and in summer vacation we will do our online lecture as we have already studied in our summer camp. I have told you that there are some lessons we will discuss or we will learn in summer vacations, and in summer vacations we will study or we will learn about English grammar or English B, as our text portion is almost completed in summer camp. So now we will move towards English grammar or English B. Okay, students, as you know, I'm your English teacher, Ma'am Faiza Farhan, and our today's topic is parts of speech. And in parts of speech, we will discuss about noun and its types. Okay, beta, basically, you have to understand what are parts of speech. First of all, parts of speech are categories or words that help organize words based on their role in the sentences. Basically, beta, these are the words that help us to understand the sentences. They play a main role in a sentence. Okay, there are basically 8 parts of speech. Number 1, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. In your previous classes, you have already studied about these parts of speech. Now in class 7, inshallah, we will discuss these parts of speech in details. First of all, here we will take a quick review of these all 8 parts of speech. What is noun? Noun refers to people, place, things or ideas. What is pronoun? Pronoun take place of a noun or it take places a noun or it uses instead of noun instead of repetition of noun. Adjective. Adjective describes or modifies a noun or pronoun. Basically, it tells us about the quality of a noun or pronoun or adds more information about noun or pronoun. Verb. Verb is basically an action. Any action, occurrence or state of being is called verb. Next is adverb. Adverb means to add or to modifies an adverb, adjective or a verb. It modifies another adjective, a verb or another adverb or a whole sentence, or also it will give us more information about the action, how the action is being done. It gives us more information about an action. Preposition. Preposition shows the relationship between a noun and a pronoun and other words in a sentence. Conjunction. Conjunction, it connects different parts of a sentence to express multiple ideas. Next is interjection. Interjection expresses emotions, gives commands or serves as a greeting or usually stands alone in a sentence. Okay, students, here it was a quick review of the 8 parts of speech. Now we will move towards our main topic, that is of noun. As you know, you have already studied about noun. What is noun? Simply, beta, noun is a naming word. Noun is a naming word. Okay? You may say naming word. It's a naming word. Name of anything that you see around yourself is a noun. For example, name of a person, place, thing or any idea that you see around yourself, they all have a specific name. For example, in your room you will see that bed, chair, table, TV or fan, AC, and these all are noun now because they all have specific names. Okay, beta. Now there you have in the example there, person is a teacher, doctor, anything. Place is a park, city, country. Thing, car, book, mobile, AC, chair. And idea means happiness, freedom. These all are ideas. Sentence, the dog is playing in the garden. Now what is the noun in this sentence? First of all, the dog is a noun, is playing in the garden, and garden is also a noun. Okay, beta. So here is a quick definition of noun. Simply, you may say that noun is a naming word. Next, beta, come or move towards the types of noun. There are basically different types of noun: common noun, proper noun. Common and proper noun are interrelated with each other. For example, common noun denotes a common person or things. Common, for example, boy, girl, country, city. But proper noun is a name of specific person, place, or thing. We may say that the proper noun of boy is Ali, Usman, any name. The proper noun of country is Pakistan, China, India. So they are basically proper noun. Next is beta abstract noun. Abstract is basically denotes the quality or state of action that cannot physically that are physically absent. They are not present physically, that are abstract noun. For example, happiness, जिसे आप देख नहीं सकते, टच नहीं कर सकते, और आप just you can feel it. These all are abstract noun. For example, anger, love, hate, bravery, these all are abstract noun. You can't see them, and they are not physically present. Okay, you can feel them. These all are abstract noun. Next is concrete noun. Concrete noun refers to people or things that exist physically. This is the opposite of abstract noun. Okay, that the things that are physically present are called abstract noun. For example, dog, cat, blackboard, chair, table. These all are concrete noun. Next is beta countable and uncountable noun. Okay, these both are interrelated with each other. Countable, as the name says, that the things that we can count. For example, cat, dog, 2 cats, 3 cats, animals, different animals, or whiteboard, 3 whiteboard, 4 whiteboard. These all are countable noun. Next is uncountable noun, that we can't count. Okay, we cannot count them, as the name shows that. For example, water. Can we count water? No. Can we count that 1 or 2 water is in the bottle? No. We can measure it, but we can't count it now. So this is uncountable noun. Next is hairs. The hairs on your head. Can we count them? No, we can't count them. Now, they are millions. They are in millions, billions. So we can't count them. So these are uncountable noun. If we say that the leaves on the tree, so can we count them? No, we can't count them. So these are also uncountable noun. Next is beta compound noun. What is compound noun? Compound noun creates by 2 or more words. For example, gold, fish. Gold is separate word and fish is separate. When we combine it, it will become goldfish. Next is strawberry. Now straw is a single word and berry is separate. So when we combine, it will become strawberry. Next is classroom. Class and room. When we combine it, it will become classroom. So when we combine 2 different words, it will become compound noun. Next is beta collective noun. Collective noun refers to a group of things as one whole. For example, when we talk about specific species or a group of specific noun, that it will become collective noun. Okay, we will say that swam, or flock of birds moving in a flock, and we will say that crowd, many people in a place or in any place, we will say crowd. So it will become collective noun. Next are singular or plural noun. Singular noun, as the name shows, that one person or thing, boy, girl, table, and plural shows the one or more, trees, boys, tables. So these are basically the different types of noun. Next, there are also different same types of noun with their usage and with their example. Hope students you will understand our today's lecture. If you have any query about today's lecture, feel free to ask me. And students, you all have to complete, or you all have to do your worksheets on your summer task and then send me the picture of that summer task. Okay beta, take care. Allah Hafiz. Fi Aman Allah.